Step 1. Open hood. Step 2. Check jack points. Step 3. Center jack in jack point. Step 4. Double check jack is centered. Install tire chocks on opposite corner. Step 5. Use jack stand and center it. Step 6. Prep or drain pan. Step 7. Remove small plastic panel with 10 mm. Step 8. Remove black clip, prep pan, open nozzle, drain oil. Step 9. Prep tools, 26 mm socket and special oil filter tool. Step 10. Remove filter. Use tapping motion. Do not rock car. Step 11. Remove old oil filter and O-ring. Clean oil housing cap. Step 12. Install new oil filter and new O-ring. Step 13. Install oil filter. First hand tight and lightly tighten with 26 mm. Warning: do not over-tighten oil filter housing. Step 14. Reinstall plastic panel using 10 mm screws. Remove all tools underneath the car including pan. Remove jack stands, tire chocks and unjack car. Step 15. Fill up with synthetic 0-20 oil. Use approximately 4 quarts. Step 16. Measure oil with dipstick. Close oil cap and clean up. Update sticker in windshield. Congratulations! You have successfully changed your oil.
One, two, three.
Wait, I don't know where it is.
This is gonna go to the blooper side.
I got a long blooper reel, man. Because I forgot how to do that. That's a latch. You know, I'm just feeling my fingers around in there. I don't know where it is.
It's already 2026.